Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a closer look at the Shark NV105 Navigator Light Upright Vacuum. This powerful vacuum is perfect for multi-surface cleaning, with a brushel that deep cleans carpets and can be easily switched off for gentle hard floor cleaning. The lightweight design makes it effortlessly portable, and with the detachable wand and hose, you can easily clean from floor to ceiling and reach those hard-to-access areas. But that's not all. This vacuum features easy maneuverability to navigate around furniture and in tight spaces, as well as a large capacity dust cup for longer cleaning sessions. The brushel shut-off allows for instant switching between deep carpet cleaning and gentle bare floor cleaning, while the upholstery tool and duster crevice tool make it easy to pick up pet hair, large debris, and dust delicate surfaces. With the Shark NV105 Navigator Light Upright Vacuum, you'll get dependable, powerful cleaning for all your surfaces. So if you're in the market for a new vacuum, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing product. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching.